What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about HSBC Red Mastercard. Pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee at saka yung perks and benefits of course kasi this kind of credit card offers some kind of benefits para ma-enjoy ninyo habang ginagamit nyo siya. And then of course, yung mga kadalasang tanong or frequently asked questions regarding this credit card. And then kung paano mag-apply. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ito yung HSBC Red Mastercard na sinasabi ko. Ganyan yung itsura niya. HSBC Red Platinum Mastercard. Dive into more rewarding adventures. Cash installment plan, get cash from your credit card and pay it off on installment at low interest rates. Card balance transfer. Transfer balances from your non-HSBC credit card to your HSBC credit card and get big savings. So, ito yung sinasabing balance transfer. Kung may balance kayo sa isang credit card, pwedeng ilipat dito sa HSBC Red Mastercard. Pero bago ang lahat guys, nais ko muna sabihin sa inyo kung magkano nga ba yung annual fee ng HSBC Red Mastercard. So as you can see guys, itong Red Mastercard ni HSBC is 2,500 yung annual fee niya. And then 1,250 para sa supplementary credit card under HSBC Red Mastercard. So ngayon, paano nga ba mag-apply ng HSBC Red Mastercard? So, you must have an existing locally issued primary credit card owned for at least 12 months. So, kailangan muna guys, may 12 months kayong credit card. Ibang bangko yun ha. Hindi siya other HSBC from the other banks yung tinutukoy dito. A minimum annual income of 400,000 for HSBC Red Mastercard and minimum annual income of 400,000 pesos for HSBC Live Plus credit card. So, yung required minimum amount or minimum income requirement para sa HSBC Red Mastercard is 400,000 pesos per year. Annual income kasi siya. Then, enjoy more reward points on all your online shopping spend. Earn 1 bonus point for every 20 pesos spent with HSBC Red Platinum Mastercard. So, bawat 20 pesos na spent ninyo or nagastos, 1 point yung ma-earn ninyo. Kasi nag-earn ng points si HSBC Red Platinum Mastercard. You must have the following: an existing locally issued primary credit card owned for at least 6 months. A minimum annual income of 400,000 pesos for Red Mastercard. Then yung welcome offer niya guys. So let's talk about welcome offer of having HSBC Red Mastercard. Get a free world travel Britain luggage with an HSBC Red Platinum Mastercard. So ito yung ay isang traveler luggage. Britain, oh, di ba? Social. Apply for an HSBC Red Platinum Mastercard and get free World Traveler Britain carry-on luggage when you spend 40,000 anywhere within 60 days. So, sinasabi dito guys is kapag na-activate na ninyo, so within 60 days, dapat makapag-spend kayo ng 40,000 pesos. So, yung benefits naman ng Red Platinum Mastercard ni HSBC is accelerated rewards. So, you can earn 4 times bonus points on online dining, shopping, and overseas transactions. Redeem appliances, gifts, certificates, and more. Redeem your accumulated points for exciting appliances, Lazada and Zalora gift certificates, earn miles, and lots more. Card installment plan. Enjoy installment plan with at least 0% and up to 36 months with your HSBC credit card. Enjoy these other card features: exclusive travel deals at over 27,000 establishments in 160 countries, regions, and territories worldwide with HSBC Home and Away Privilege Program. Enjoy fuel savings, 6% rebate on first Caltex fuel purchase plus 3% rebate all year around. Enjoy an annual fee waiver on the first year. So, yung first year na to guys is naka-waive siya on the anniversary date na kayo matcha-charge ng 2,500 pesos para sa principal yon. Sa supplementary is 1,250. Online banking and mobile banking access. Of course, pwede siyang i-link para ma-monitor ninyo yung transactions ninyo. So, ngayon dapo tayo ngayon sa mga frequently asked question. Yung kadalasang tanong about this credit card para at least maging aware kayo. What documentation do I need to provide when applying for an HSBC credit card? You need to provide any proof of identity with your application. Of course, yung IDs. So, we accept any one of the following: SSS, TIN, GSIS, passport, driver's license, UMID, COMELEC, voter's ID, PRC ID, and Philippine System ID, or yung national ID. Yung sinasabing PhilSys ID, national ID yan. How long will it take to process an HSBC credit card application? Around 5 to 10 business days upon submission of completed application forms and all required documents. How will I get my welcome gift? Crediting will be only done once per cardholder for this promotion. The cardholder will also be notified of the credited rebate via SMS to his and her mobile number as registered in HSBC's record. So, kapag nag-apply kayo guys, make sure na dapat yung mobile number na ilalagay ninyo tsaka yung email is active siya. Kasi dyan sila magpapadala ng promotions and updates about your account. How many points do I get for online, dining, shopping, and overseas spend? You can earn 4 times bonus points on online, dining, shopping, and overseas spend. Can I get air miles with my card, and when will they be credited? Yes, you can redeem air miles from Asia Miles, KrisFlyer, or Mabuhay Miles using your bonus points. The air miles will be credited within 10 banking days or successful redemption. So, yung documentary requirements naman guys, kapag nag-apply kayo, of course, kailangan nito. Para sa pag-apply nito, kailangan nyo to. Proof of identity with complete name, at least one of the following: passport, driver's license, SSS, TIN, ganyan. Proof of identity, of course. Then, proof of residence. Note must be under the name of the applicant. So, kung ano yung address nyo, dapat under your name, of course. Valid ID containing the address of the applicant. Utility bills, electricity, landline phone, mobile phone, or cable TV issued within the last 3 months and must match the permanent and primary address. So ito guys, I would like to remind you na kapag nag-apply kayo, make sure to provide the correct details. So halimbawa, kailangan nyo yung, di ba hinahanapan ng reference credit card. Wag na wag nyo gagamitin yung ibang credit card, not under your name. Kasi madedetect nila yan. Kailangan yung credit card na under your name. Wag kayong gagawa-gawa ng credit card number. Kasi kapag nag-apply kayo online, tatanungin kayo kung may existing credit card kayo. So, hindi pwedeng mag-imbento kayo ng credit card number kasi bawal yun. Matitrace nila, so meaning may forgery na mangyayari. So, the possibility, 100% hindi talaga kayo ma-approve at magkakaroon kayo ng red flag sa system nila. Kaya naman dapat ingatan ninyo yung mga details na yan. Of course, kapag na-approve kayo, if ever na-qualified naman kayo, make sure lang guys to pay your credit card bills. Huwag na huwag nyo kakalimutan yun. Kasi kapag naglimot-limot ka na, so may mga consequences yon. Magkakaroon ng bahid yung credit history mo. Alagaan mo yung credit history mo kasi dyan yung mabibase yung mga bangko para ma-approve kayo for higher credit limit at makapag-apply kayo ng personal loans in the future. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!